Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a payment gateway in Framer. This guide is perfect for beginners, and you don't need any technical knowledge to follow along. If you want to sell products, collect payments, or offer paid services on your website, this video will help you step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to framer.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your projects. Now open the website project where you want to add payments. Click on it to enter the Framer editor. Before adding payments in Framer, you need a Stripe account. Open a new tab and go to stripe.com, then create your account. You'll need to enter your email, business details, and bank information so Stripe can send you payments. Follow all the setup steps until your account is fully activated. Once your Stripe account is ready, go to the Stripe dashboard. On the left side, click on Developers, then go to API Keys. Here you'll see your publishable key and secret key. Keep them safe and never share them with anyone. Now go back to Framer. Inside the Framer editor, look at the top right corner and click on Insert. In the Insert panel, search for Forms if you want to collect customer details, along with payment, or search for Embed if you are using a Stripe payment link. The easiest method for beginners is using Stripe payment links. Go back to Stripe. On the left menu, click on Payment Links. Click Create Payment Link. Add your product name, price, currency, and any other details. When done, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link URL. Copy that link. Return to Framer, click Insert. Choose Embed and drag the Embed component onto your page where you want the payment button or checkout to appear. In the right side settings panel, paste your Stripe payment link into the URL or Embed field. Framer will now connect that section to Stripe's checkout. Resize and position the Embed section properly on your page. You can also add text like Buy Now or complete your payment above it to make it clear for visitors. If you want a button instead, add a button component in Framer. Select the button, go to the link settings on the right and paste your Stripe payment link there. Now when someone clicks the button, they will be taken to Stripe's secure checkout page. After setting everything up, click Publish in the top right corner of Framer. Your website will go live with the payment option. To test, open your live site and try making a test payment using Stripe's test card details, which you can find in Stripe's documentation. This ensures everything works before real customers use it. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment gateway to your Framer website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.